addressing to you. Fine. So
Oh,
basically, yeah. So basically, my name is Shayan.
mm-hmm.
I'm from Northeast Tripura, and I pursued my BTech in the year 2020 from Civil Department. And at the moment, I'm a job seeker, and my main motive is to enroll for a government job. And my hobbies are, I like to play indoor and outdoor games both. Apart from that, I like to make such videos, improvement of spoken English, and etc. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, so talking about me, so as you know, my name is Sonam and I'm living in
Okay.
Mumbai. And
Okay.
presently, I'm doing a job as an account assistant. And actually, this coming year, like previous next month, August month, my MBA exam is also finished. So I also finished my MBA exam. So yeah, this is my intro.
That's
And I'm also doing the English practice with my YouTube channel. So like this.
That's really amazing. That's really amazing. And you know what? I truly believe that, if we will do the conversation, then I will learn many such things from you.
Yes, yes. So
Yeah.
so tell me what's the reason you want to improve your English and all that things and
Actually,
how
you
you
know
use.
what? Actually, you know what? My main motive is to be, in my passion, my main motive is to be a motivational speaker. So I like to address to many people. I just want to reach out to many people. And you know what, many such people are there. They are dealing with ample of queries in their mind regarding many such things. But they feel a sort of palpitation, they feel a sort of hesitation in doing the conversation with different person. They thought, like, if they will share their problem with any other person, then people will make fun of them, they will bully them. So I want to make of this video with, by figure outing different topic, and I want to reach out to every person so that I can sort out people's issue. That is my main motive, actually.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
like any kind of I'm asking any kind of practice you are doing with your practice, like any kind of now the platform is available like a Clappingo and
Yes.
many more platform. So are you
Y-
also using this kind of platform or just with
Yeah.
your own?
While I was pursuing my BTech in the year 2018, I was practicing in, one app is there named as Speakler. So I used to practice it in the app Speakler for 2.5 years. And in that platform, to some extent, I have been able to boost up my spoken English language with my English vocabulary. Apart from that, I do the conversation with my relatives, with my friends, with my cousins, and now I'm making the video. So many such platforms are there. And apart from that, I upload video in my Facebook page. Then I used to do anchoring. I used to uh, deliver speech, you know marking different sorts of festival occasions in my campus. So by this way only, to some extent, I have been able to to learn this skill.
Okay, okay. So I know in the Tripura, I know that like you don't
Yeah,
have
sure.
like that much of environment to speak in English, but I saw you very well speaking, so that's why I was asking you.
Thank you.
Also, you
Act-
kind of place like to improve.
Actually, yeah, you know what, I have been nurtured from an English medium school for 10 years. Fine. That was
Okay.
under CBSE board, the Delhi affiliated
Mm,
school. Fine. So you know what,
okay.
I was a very introvert type of person. Like, I was always having a shy that how I will do the conversation with person, and how what they will think of me if I will approach any boy or any girl, and if I will convey my message to that very person, then what the person will think of me. Then gradually, you know what then suddenly, a thing strike my mind that if I will demotivate myself, then the entire world will demotivate me. Apart from that, if I will motivate myself, that will be my biggest weapon ever. And if I will motivate myself, then if other person will demotivate me, that will not hamper my life. Thinking these things in account, I thought that I will have to practice it. And my father, my mom, They also help me a lot in this platform. And apart from that, my cousins, my friends, they also help me very much, to improve up my skill. And now I will not say that, what, I'm a very good speaker, but yeah, to some extent I can do the conversation with any person. I'm completely flexible. That's it.
Yes, it's totally. I agree with this point yours. Like, if we are not motivated with our own self, so how
Yeah,
can we like motivate to others? So we have to start with our own self, so that
obviously,
it will help to other. If we are saying no, see, I am doing this thing to improve myself, so you have to
obviously,
try to do these things, so that people can also convey your message. Otherwise, they are not convey. Yeah, it's a true point.
obviously, that is the main thing. And
Yes.
you know what? One point I would like to add over here is that, what, many such friends of mine, they used to tell me that Shayan, how we can learn this skill, uh, only by listening, only by seeing the YouTube videos. Is it possible for us to learn the skill? My answer is no. You have to practice it. Yeah, for any such example, for a practical example, many such YouTube channels are there. Fine, many such an academy, many such channels are there. You can have a look in many such videos are there that people will teach you that how you can increase, how you can boost up, how you can set your benchmark of English even higher. But unless and until you will not do the practice by your own, number one, you will not be able to improve up yourself. Number two, suppose you are learning from a person, make sure that from whom you are learning, the person knows it very well. Because see, we are human beings. Human beings only commit mistake. Fine. So if I will learn from a person, and unfortunately, if I will commit a mistake, and if that very person will not be able to figure out and to rectify my mistake, then I will not be able to learn properly from that very person. So make sure that from whomever you are willing or you are eagerly waiting to learn, make sure that the person knows this skill from A to Z very professionally. The person knows this skill. These are the main key to learn this
Yes.
English spoken skills.
Yes, yes, it's very true. Whatever you're saying, I completely agree with your words. Because I have also, actually, I have practiced this thing. You can see the four is a 5 month completed 5 months, but still
Okay.
I'm getting some kind of difficulties. Like a word is not strike in my mind while conversations and all that thing. But I don't care. I'm just think on my mind. I just do the practice. Whatever is happen. We have to like a practice. One day I have to improve my.
Exactly.
I will be improve myself, but not to like some kind of person are doing some kind of practice. Then after they are frustrated. No, I'm not improving my English. So they just you can say stop to learn all that thing. So don't I just tell the people don't do this kind of thing, because this is not a simple thing. You have to learn within a short time, right? It's a very long process.
Obviously.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Hope so. I
And
will be.
yeah. And one thing is there, like, whenever we, I started it a couple of years ago. And you know what, a time was there when I was completely frustrated that, I was completely seeking for a person. I was seeking for a person that, uh, that yeah, from whom should I learn? Is this person is the one whom I was seeking for a couple of years, or this is the person I was completely, hoping that, yeah, कहाँ से मैं सीखूं ये, ठीक है? And that is the main thing. And then I thought, no, yeah, I will have to keep calm. I will be calm and quiet. If I will lose the hope, if I will lose the hope, then this is not gonna work for me. I will have to keep my patience. That, because you know what, every good thing need time. Nothing's happen
Yes,
overnight. Every good thing
yes,
needs time. And I will say you only one thing, that, the way you are making a video, I saw your many such videos with different person. I will only say that, what, always motivate yourself. One thing is that if you will motivate yourself, and the entire world, if will demotivate you, then that negative thing will never ever will hamper your mind. Apart from that, if you will demotivate yourself, and the world will also demotivate you. That will be very much hamper. You are the main weapon. Fine, so you have to stay positive in your own way, that no, yeah, I'm learning this, I will have to be patient, and obviously one day I will be able to be a very good speaker. That is the main thing. And you know what, as if you told that, with this words vocabulary and everything, so you know what, uh, it doesn't matter what word you use. The main thing is that, start with a very simple sentence. Many such person I saw that, yeah, they are doing the conversation, and they are using very high professional words. Like for example, if I said that, searching, one word is just searching. The advanced
Yes,
word of searching is seeking. I'm seeking for a job. I'm searching for a job. I'm seeking for a job.
yes,
But instead, to fascinate a person, to impress a person, what we do, we never use the word search. We use the word seek, just to
yes,
withdraw
yes,
withdraw others' attention. So you know what? This is very
yes,
bad. In the very first stage, in the initial stage, just start with the normal words, then after that go for the advance, and you know that is the thing. It's very simple.
yes, yes. I completely like you. Whatever you're saying, I always feel that things. I have to do this thing because I'm doing a practice. Lots of people is telling you are doing a practice so many months and still you're not improving. I'm just telling the one thing that's not improving, but I'm trying my level best to improve this thing. So hope so
Obviously.
it will be improved. This is the language. This is not any other thing to I will be learn in the
Obviously.
one day or within the 1 month. This is the language, and I'm learning a different language. The way of my speaking the Hindi and the English both are the different way. So I have to much time it's required to learn this thing. So hope so. But see, now the time I can say I can speak. But see, in the speaking part, while you're making the grammatical mistake and all that, it will be not any matter. But while you're writing and all that, that thing that time is important. But while you're speaking, I can convey my message to you. You can convey message to me. So that's the only thing is important. So I'm now I can do this thing. But before 4 to 5 months, I can't do this thing because I just speak one
Okay.
or two words, then I will be stop myself. The word is not coming my mind properly. So yeah, if this thing I will be improve, I was improving. So in future I will be improve a lot.
I want to interject over here. Like, you have told that, a few months earlier you were
Hmm.
practicing. Fine. Then what is the next line you have told? Please, can you repeat?
Actually, I was practicing. Now I am improving myself, doing this kind of practice.
Okay. Then after
Yes.
that, you used to get stuck. Fine. So you know what? This happens because I have faced the same problem. In the very beginning, it will happen. Even though one day what happened with me. Well, I was pursuing my BTech. One of my brother-in-law from Bangalore, he called me.
Mhm.
Fine. So I was doing the conversation with him in full English because he's a non-Bengali person and I'm a Bengali person. Fine. Huh. So you know what happened? So we both were doing the confabulation in English, and one of my friend, he just tried to bully me. He told me that, Shayan, with whom you are doing the conversation, man? I were doing the conversation with PM Modi. Means he was just trying to troll me. Literally, I took that. I took the joke on me. That was a very casual thing for me, and in return, I gave the answer that, yeah, you know what? I have a very dense connection between me and Modi. So he got completely dumb. So you know what? People will always have a tendency, to let you down. Fine,
Yes.
but you have to stay positive. And if any, like the way you are making a video, one thing I will say, that whenever any such people will say you that, that ma'am, you are trying for a couple of years and now also, you can speak in English. Just tell them only one thing, that, sir, I'm making a video and I'm getting a very much positive feedback. I'm getting a very much positive feedback, and people they really they like my video. Why they like my video? Yeah, because there's they saw something. Maybe my words, the way I'm talking, maybe I'm very much confident, I'm very much smart, I'm very much enthusiastic. That's why only they subscribe my channel. That's why I'm getting a very much positive feedback. So that is the most important thing for me. So then you will see the person will become completely shut. By words you will take the revenge. That is the main thing.
Yes. But I don't like to say any kind of like a bad thing and the negative thing. I'm not like that kind of person to say revert any bad thing. So I just take. I'm just saying I'm just practicing. Okay. Hope so. I will be
Okay.
improving. If I'm not improving, then I will leave that things. But I will be try my level best whenever whatever
No,
I'm trying.
never leave. Never leave. See, one thing I would like to say you. See, maybe see, you are senior than me, obviously, but still, I would like to say you one thing that what, never ever, as if you are in the field, never ever leave the battle. Never ever leave the battle. You are doing it. You will see many such failure. People will give you positive feedback, negative feedback, but remember one thing that human beings they are capable of doing everything, because
Yes.
what, human beings made computer, human beings they went to the moon, they have we are the human beings, everything is our control. So what is this? Okay, it's nothing for me, just a full of concentration, a proper mindset, and a willpower and a positivity. These four things are the main crucial things. Fine. So I will, I will give you a small advice that never ever leave this field for what it just no matter what, never ever.
Mhm.
And to be very frankly speaking, if you face any such difficulty in any English vocabulary, you can consult with me, because by Almighty's grace, to some extent, I know all this English vocabulary because I have one book. So I
Okay.
know, yeah, I used to practice it on a regular basis. And if you face any such difficulty that यार कि मैं कहाँ पे मैं कौन सा word मैं use करूँ ये वो, you can text me up or you can call me, whatever you can. I will clarify all your queries, whatever you're having. No issue.
Thank you so much for all these things you are telling. I was just see, I
Most welcome.
my nature is what I was not expecting to other. I'm just like nature. I just provide the help, not expecting to other that people are helping me, because I never ever feel this thing in my life to somebody is helping me. But I can say with my YouTube channel, I got a very good kind of help. People are really want to help me, like some kind of person
Obviously.
is really want to teach me English without any cost, because they are just seeing my video and they love myself like the way I am doing the practice.
Obviously.
So I am very,
Hmm.
you can say the very grateful the people are liking me and all that thing. So it's all like a feel me very happy all that thing. And now you are also
You
telling
really
so
worth
that just
it.
yes,
You really worth it. Like, that is the thing.
yes,
Yeah, and you know what?
okay.
Today I'm very much happy that I have been able to make a video with you. It's my, it's my dreams comes true. To be very frank, because you know what? A time was there. I used to see that what? You are making a video, and one day Lakshmi ma'am from Andhra Pradesh. Maybe you
Yeah,
know her. So I
I
I
make a
told her,
video with her.
yeah, I saw. So I told her, ma'am, is it possible for me to make a video with Poonam, ma'am? Then she told me, yeah, you can make, you can just have some words with her. Then I told, yeah, how I will, how I will have some words with you, because I don't have any contact of you. Then I thought that, yeah, YouTube is one of the most mutual platform where if I will pass any comment, then you will see my comment, and then you will get back to me with your positive reply. Thinking of that, I thought that, yeah, whatever will be the feedback, I must approach towards it. And now see, we are doing the video. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Because see, I now not only you, I got a lots of people only with my YouTube. I never ever meet that people in my life. I know that, but they people are touch my heart. I can say like any kind of
Wow.
way, like the way that like still they are connecting with me. I'm not saying like making the video and they leave me, but not that people. They are still like if I'm not uploading my video 1 or 2 days, like not is a 1 week because of my exam is started. I'm not looking over my YouTube channel, so they're just texting me. So no, where are you? You're not uploading any video. Like that much of careness and all that thing. So I feel very great. Like
Obviously,
oh
I
my god,
understand. I
people
understand.
are still loving me a lot. Not my family members still loving like this. So this kind of thing is I love
You
this
know,
thing.
uh, actually, this is the result of your hard work, of your full dedication towards what you are doing. Because you know what,
Yes.
like the way you are making a video, with your video people can see, it's reflecting your hard work, your dedication with full perseverance, everything. People can see it's reflecting in your video. So that's the reason why people really, they want to help you, as if you are trying to learn. And in the same case, maybe you can think that, yeah, Sharon, you are a good speaker, but no, still I'm learning. Very frankly speaking, I am learning, and I do believe that I will be able to learn many such things from you. That's the thing.
I don't believe this. I like this kind of word I deserve or not, but I feel very happy to like listen all that things. Yes.
Thank you.
What? Actually, I don't know. I have 2 or 3 friends like a Bengal. I'm talking, but they are not
Okay.
way of like speaking and all the thing. But you speak very well, and I know you learn the English and all that. Uh,
Thank you.
That's why.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I
Thank you.
also learn
Thank you
with
so much.
you also some kind of word, whatever you're
Sure,
saying.
sure,
I know you are
sure.
very well with me, like I speak in English. Yes, so sometimes it's happened with me. I get a very good kind of person. I will improve myself, and sometimes I don't get a good person like they are very beginner. So I will be try to talk with more. So I will be improve myself. Like in both the terms, I can be learn something. So this is the good way
Obviously.
of like learning the English also.
And yeah, and you know what, make sure that with whomever you do the conversation, and see, different types of persons are there. Like, what, suppose um you are now talking with a person, and you know what, you want to learn something from that very person. But before learning, make sure that with whom you are doing the conversation, that very person knows these things very well. Because if that very person will not, if that very person will remain completely unfamiliar with this field, then how the person will be able to teach you properly? And you know what will happen if you will teach, yeah, I mean, if you will if you will try to learn from any other person, then when you will face any such problem, or if there
Okay.
will be any such queries or doubts in your mind, then when you will ask your queries, then the person will say, okay, I will get back to you tomorrow with my answer. Because that very person don't know the answer. That's why he want a span of like 1 day to seek the answer, or to to extract the answer from somewhere else and to convey you. That is the main thing.
Yes.
Make sure with whom you, yeah, with whom you will learn, the person knows this skill very well. It's very much important.
See, I'm not like a judging a person to like a conversation while I'm going to be conversation. See, I don't know anything about you. I just got your comment and the message. I don't know who you are, the very fluent person or you are not a fluent person. You are a very good understanding of English. So I don't care about that. Person is want to conversation with me, and my motive is I have some time to speak in English. So that's only my motive to some speaking my practice is increases so that I will be conversation with person. That's only my motive. Nothing is my mind to learn and all that thing. But if I got the good person, so I will be learn. This happens, you can say, not
Ma'am,
I'm planning.
not
I'm not.
you sorry, but you told that I will be learn. It's wrong. Maybe you can say that I will learn, or you can say simply I will learn, not I will be learn. Simply you can say that you know what, as if you are doing a video with me. You can say that you know what, Shan, maybe you can say me like, Shan, I don't know you personally, fine, so I don't know that you are a good speaker or you are an intermediate or advanced, whatever is this, but um yeah, whenever I will get any such free schedule with my tight schedule, then I will call you, and or I will text you, or I will learn something from you, not I will be. Just omit the word be will not be there, simply I will learn from you. That's it.
Yes, yes, yes. It's correct. But see, what I'm in the like a fluently, so that's why I not get a word pro. Like that's why it's,
Okay,
mistake
okay.
is happen. So yes. So like I don't have like a think person is very good. I'm only the thing is person is want to conversation with me in English. That's it. So you know, you are watching my video, you know, the some people like they are not good, they are good,
Yeah.
but my motive is I'm just speaking, not any particular topic I am taking and I'm just speaking. I'm not, I just want to any kind of topic, we have to just conversation. That's it.
Wow, that's great. That's great. Uh,
Yes, anything else you want to ask me, you can ask. I think it's a 26 minutes video.
no, at the moment, my mind is completely blank. But if you want to ask me anything, you can. No issue.
Okay, so I want to know how many like YouTuber you want to talk with them.
Actually, my main motive is that the total number of YouTubers are there in India. I want to get connected with everyone. Like now,
Okay.
you know what? As if I'm making a video with you. I used to make a video with Ashutosh sir. Then in Andhra Pradesh, Lakshmi ma'am. Then one person is there, maybe from Delhi, Richa ma'am. I think you know her. So I
Yes,
used
I
to make
also
a
talk
video.
with them.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
I used to make a video with her. You know, if I will get a chance, then I will talk with every person, every YouTuber in but I will not step to apart from India. But because you know what, India is a very big country, consists of 28 states. Then
Mhm.
so so my main thing is that I want to do the conversation with all the YouTubers in India first, and I want to convey my message. I want to reach out to every person whoever is there in India dealing with couple of
Mhm.
problems. I want to reach out to them through this online platform, and I want to sort out everyone's issue.